Is your IT world feeling a bit like this? Chaotic, reactive, and overwhelming? Or do you dream of it being like this? Streamlined, valuable, and under control. The bridge between these two worlds has a name: ITIL 4. Whether you're new to IT or a seasoned pro, the ITIL 4 Foundation certification is your map to a better career. Let's explore it together in the next couple of minutes. It all starts with a powerful idea. IT shouldn't be a department of problems, it should be a factory of services. This is IT Service Management, or ITSM. It's how an organization designs, delivers, and manages all IT for its users, from getting a new mouse, to setting up your email, to making sure complex servers are running smoothly. ITSM is the behind-the-scenes system that makes IT work for people, not the other way around. ITIL doesn't give you rigid rules. It gives you a compass, 7 guiding principles for making great decisions. 1. Focus on value. Everything you do should create value for someone. Always ask, who is this for? And what do they truly need? 2. Start where you are. Don't scrap everything. Look at what you already have. Use what works and improve from there. 3. Progress iteratively with feedback. Don't try to boil the ocean. Take small steps. Build, get feedback, and improve as you go. 4. Collaborate and promote visibility. Teamwork makes the dream work. Be open, share information, and make sure everyone can see the workflow. 5. Think and work holistically. Nothing exists in a vacuum. Remember that every service, team, and process is connected. 6. Keep it simple and practical. If it's complicated, simplify it. Ask, does this really create value? Remember, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. 7. Optimize and automate. Let technology handle the boring, repetitive tasks. This frees up people for more complex, valuable work that truly moves the business forward. To make sure your service is strong and won't collapse, you need to support it with 4 dimensions. Organizations and people. Do you have the right culture and skills? Information and technology. What data and tools do you need? Partners and suppliers. Who are your vendors and allies? Value streams and processes. What are the steps to create value? If one pillar is weak, your whole service can crumble. This is the big picture. The service value system is the engine that turns needs into value. At the core is the service value chain, a set of activities you mix and match to create your services. It's the heartbeat of the SVS. To do the work in the value chain, you use practices, your tools. ITIL4 gives you 34 of them. Here are a few key ones. Continual improvement. Always look for ways to make things better. Incident management puts out fires, fixing issues fast, while problem management finds the root cause to stop them from happening again. Service request management handles standard requests, like a new laptop. And service level management ensures you're delivering on your promises to customers. Ready to get certified? Here's what you need to know about the ITIL4 Foundation exam. It's 40 questions, you need 26 correct to pass, and you have 60 minutes. It's closed book and online. Tip 1. Work through a mock exam. Practice under timed conditions. It's the best way to prepare. Tip 2. Read the questions thoroughly. Don't rush. Make sure you understand what's being asked. Tip 3. Don't spend too long on each question. You have about 90 seconds. If you're stuck, take a guess and move on. There's no penalty for wrong answers. And the golden rule: ignore your personal experience. The exam tests your knowledge of the ITIL framework, not how your current company does things. And that's ITIL4 Foundation in a nutshell. It's a flexible, value-focused way of thinking that transforms IT chaos into seamless service. Ready to build that bridge for your own career? Don't just understand ITIL trademark. Get certified and prove your expertise. Enroll now in our ITIL 4 Foundation Certification program at Asperex. We'll give you everything you need to learn, practice, and pass with confidence. Visit the link on screen now to start your journey.